video. Today we're going to talk about trade school. All right, everybody, today I'm going to help you on some of your code language for some of you helpers out there just getting started. This trade name, Greenfield, but in your code book, this is not Greenfield. Greenfield is not in your code book. This is flexible metallic conduit in the National Electrical Code. If you want to be a professional, you need to know the code, you need to be in the code, and trade names getting thrown around that don't line up with the name given in the National Electrical Code can confuse you, it can confuse other people, and people at your workplace are going to look at you like you're retarded when you don't know what Greenfield is because you've been studying your code, and in the code book it's flexible metallic conduit. So, flexible metallic conduit, that's what they mean when they say Greenfield. Next, here I have liquid tight, flexible, metallic conduit. It's liquid tight on the outside. It looks like trade name Carflex, but it's actually not the same thing as what they mean when they say Carflex. Inside of this liquid tight, you see there's actually what looks to be flexible metallic conduit. It's metallic on the inside, liquid tight on the outside. In your code book, this is liquid tight flexible metallic conduit. There's something that looks like this that does not have metal on the inside, and that will be referred to by the trade name Carflex when you're in the field sometimes, and that is also not a term used in your code book. That's a trade name. In your code book, you're going to have liquid tight, car driving by. In your code book, you're going to have liquid tight, flexible, non-metallic conduit. That's what they mean when they say Carflex. And liquid tight, flexible, metallic conduit. Those are the articles. So, these guys who get mad at you when you use something different than their terminology probably don't read the code book. They don't know what the code name is for some of this stuff. So, you want to go to Article 3, not Article, you want to go to Chapter 3. Article number, got it right here. Okay. Article number 348. That is flexible metal conduit. Flexible metal conduit. That is Greenfield. You want Carflex? You're going to want to go to Article 356. Chapter 3, Article 356 of your National Electrical Code. That's going to be liquid tight, flexible, non-metallic conduit. Now, the stuff I showed you had metal in it, had flexible metal conduit inside of it. That is Article 350, liquid tight, flexible, metal conduit. So, those are the articles. Those are the code names for those materials, and not the trade names. There's probably a lot of other trade names out there. I'm interested to know what they are. I know across the United States there's different trade names for the same item, and then those trade names might not even line up with what the item actually is. Sometimes a trade name comes from, like, you know, who makes it, you know, and stuff like that. So let me know some more trade names. There was a guy in the comment section who left a comment about wire nuts, called them Medis or Meggers or something like that. Something I never heard of, but he was talking about wire nuts. I looked it up. Let me know more trade names in the comment section. I want to know your trade names, maybe for your bonding, your grounding pigtail that you put in your boxes. I know there's a trade name out there for that, but I don't know what it is. Thanks for watching. This video, today we're going to talk about trade school.